7 likely blockchain uses for the healthcare industry. Blockchain will enhance medical record management, drug discovery, health insurance, and medical costs. Medical chain, Coral Health, Patientory, and Chronicled are among many healthcare companies already using blockchain to enhance customer experience and outcomes. Blockchain technology could transform medical records, research, and patient care. This video shares 7 potential healthcare blockchain applications. Number 1. Medical record management. Blockchain makes medical data safer and more accessible for patients and healthcare providers. Controlling medical data access improves privacy and security. Number 2. Clinical trials. Blockchain's transparent and immutable trial data log can improve clinical trial transparency and integrity. Clinical study data is stored on blockchain platforms like CTRR. Pfizer's blockchain-based CTRR platform was created with IBM. Researchers and regulators can easily obtain and verify trial data using blockchain, improving clinical trial results. Number 3. Prescription drug traceability. Blockchain technology can track prescribed drugs from manufacturer to consumer, reducing the risk of counterfeits entering the supply chain. MediLedger, a blockchain-based network that tracks prescribed drugs, is an example. Number 4. Supply chain management. Blockchain adoption can increase the efficiency and transparency of supply chain management in the healthcare sector, making it more straightforward to track the flow of medical supplies and equipment. VeChain, a blockchain-based supply chain management system, is utilized in the pharmaceutical business. Number 5. Medical device management. Blockchain technology safely manages medical gadget data, including usage statistics and upkeep logs, improving patient safety and reducing errors. Blockchain-based company, Chronicled, manages medical gadgets. Number 6. Drug development. Blockchain makes drug creation more transparent and efficient, helping researchers collaborate. The clinical research blockchain tool stores and exchanges clinical research data using blockchain. Number 7. Health insurance. Blockchain can reduce fraud, improve transparency, efficiency, and speed in health insurance claim processing. MetLife is using blockchain to speed up life insurance claims and improve client service. Going forward, blockchain can revolutionize medical record keeping, drug discovery, and health insurance. Healthcare record management, clinical trial openness, efficient supply chain management, and more will be possible with blockchain. Even though these use cases are still in the early stages of research, they are sure to enhance healthcare delivery and patient outcomes in the future. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.